You are about to end your day, but your next step is already shaping your tomorrow. You may not even feel it right now. There are times when life looks quiet outside, but inside your heart feels heavy. You lie down, but your thoughts stay active. You remember your actions, your words, and your choices. Something inside you feels that a decision is close. A decision that can change your direction. Not every warning is loud. Some warnings come as a feeling you cannot clearly explain. When you move toward the wrong thing, your heart feels heavy. When you move away from it, your heart feels calm. Many people ignore this feeling. They think it is just stress or overthinking. But sometimes it is a sign and a guidance. Right now, you may feel pressure. Pressure to decide fast. Pressure to follow people around you. Pressure to accept something that does not feel right. It looks small in the moment. But even small choices can change your future path. Think about your past. When you chose patience, you felt peace. When you rushed into something, you felt regret. Life always shows a pattern. Good choices bring peace. Wrong choices bring confusion. Before you sleep tonight, take a moment for yourself. Be honest with your heart. Do not judge yourself. Just understand your direction. Ask yourself what you are really feeling. Ask yourself what you are trying to ignore. Sometimes Allah guides you by closing certain doors. Sometimes He makes something feel heavy in your heart. Not everything easy is good for you. Not every open path is right for you. A warning is not always a punishment. Many times, it is protection. You may be at a point where your next step is very important. It can be a job choice, a friendship, a habit, or a decision you make when no one is watching. These small moments decide your future more than you think. Most people only think about results. But direction is more important than results. If your direction is wrong, even success will not bring peace. If your direction is right, even slow progress will bring peace. Tonight is a chance to slow down. Do not rush your thoughts. Do not rush your decisions. Life is not a race. It is a path that needs care and attention. If something in your life feels unclear, do not force it. Confusion can be a sign to stop and think. A short pause can save you from a big mistake later. Sometimes the best choice is to wait and understand. You are not alone in this feeling. Every person faces moments like this. But not everyone listens to their inner warning. Those who listen often find peace. Those who ignore it often feel regret later. Before you sleep, calm your mind. Let go of pressure. Let your heart relax. A calm heart understands better than a stressed mind. Speak in your heart in a simple and honest way. Ask for guidance. Not with perfect words, but with sincerity. Sincerity always finds the right path. Tomorrow will bring new choices, new tests, new moments. But if you think clearly tonight, your tomorrow will be better. You will be more aware. You will be more careful. Do not ignore what your heart is trying to protect you from. Do not rush into something that removes your peace. Life becomes easier when you listen to your inner guidance. Now take a deep breath. Slow your thoughts. Trust that every delay has a reason. Every pause has meaning. Every warning has a purpose. When you wake up tomorrow, take your next step with care. Not with fear. Not with confusion. But with calmness and awareness. If this message touched your heart, like the video, share it with someone who needs it tonight, and subscribe for more simple and powerful messages that bring peace and direction to life.